Hi friends, so welcome to my channel. So today I'm gonna show you one powerful free YouTube video recording software. So it's free to download and use it. So the name of the tool is OBS Studio. So OBS stands for Open Broadcasting Software. So today I'm gonna show you how to download and how to install it. So let's get started. So first of all, so what you need to do is you need to open the Chrome browser. Just type it as OBS software, OBS software or OBS Studio. Upon search is completed, there are multiple links are appearing. So I would like to go with first link. Okay, I will have to go for first link. So in that OBS Studio first links, so I can see the download link. Just click on the download. So as soon as you click on it, now you navigate it to OBS website. So based on your operating system, then you can choose it accordingly. So right now in my machine, so Windows operating system is installed. So I would like to go with Windows OBS Studio installer. So just click on this download installer, then it will start downloading in your machine. So in my case, I already have it, so I no need to download it. So let me go to the downloads. So in my system, I already downloaded, right? So you need to go to the OBS Studio downloader location. So in my case, so it was downloaded in download folder. See here. So here just simply click on this exe file and follow the steps one by one. Just double click on this OBS Studio. Just you can click on S. See here. So the OBS setup is coming. So just to click on next. So here this is all about the license information. So as of now you can ignore it. Just click on next. So here you need to give the path or location of the OBS Studio to install. So it's up to you where you want to install. So right now I will go with the default location, then and just click on install button. See the OBS Studio installation has been started in your machine. So let's wait for it to complete. It will not take more than 2 minutes also. So as soon as this is completed, then the next button will be enabled. Let's wait for some time. See the now the OBS Studio installation has been completed successfully. Now just you click on finish. So it will launch the OBS Studio automatically. Just you can ignore all this information. Just click on cancel. So the software has been installed successfully. So in the next video, so I'm going to show you how effectively we can use and what are the things inside this tool. So we will discuss more about it. So please subscribe to my channel, like for more upcoming interesting videos. See you. Bye bye. Thank you.